Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Craft Tube Floss Tube. My name is Tia. Today I thought we could do a little bit of work together on my Down the Garden Path project that's being hosted on YouTube by Roxy Creations, so two sisters, Sarah and Rachel. I showed in my last video that I finished my spool, so this will be what my snippet roll is going to be attached to and displayed. So that's all finished now, so that's good. And then I thought we could do a little bit of work on my snippet roll, so I'll show you where we're up to. So I think up to here is finished, that section. So we've got little Bun Bun hiding behind the gate. He's taken a carrot out of my garden, out of my veggie patch, which I haven't yet done. And then I've been doing a little bit of work on the house. So this is my house where my little girl lives. I've done a little bit on there. I've done some sunflowers. I've done some little bits of grass along the bottom of the house. I need to add some more running stitch along through the clouds here. I've done another cloud which I've stitched some silver thread around it, so every cloud has a silver lining. And there's my little house with my sunflowers. I've got 3 brown beads in the center of each sunflower. And then coming out the front door and up the path, we've got a wonky windmill. So that's my little Aussie inspired windmill. And then this is going to be my greenhouse, and then this is going to be my little veggie patch. So that's where I'm up to. But I thought today we could do something on it. I'm not too sure what I want to do yet. I've got a piece here that I thought could go in there for my little veggie patch, and then might have to cut a bigger piece. Then I'll invisible stitch that down, and that will be my little veggie garden. And then the next prompt is, I also thought I could add some more yellow flowers over here. There's the other one. Another one there. As smaller, still growing sunflowers that will go up the house. But with the new prompt, it is I think it's water fountain or pond. So I thought, I knew that I had some fabric that would be suitable, so I've got this, and I thought that a piece of that, I mean I've got a ton of it, would be perfect for a pond. So I think the pond may go over here to the right hand side of my greenhouse. But I think I'll start by cutting a bigger piece for, oh no, where did I put that? A bigger piece for my veggie patch, so that will be a good size. So let's just cut this out. Can go up there. straighten that piece up a little bit. There. And then cut along there. So today is Thursday. I've still got my pyjamas on because I can. I'm working this afternoon. I'm on doing the late night, so we've got VIP day at work today, so I'm guessing it's going to be pretty busy, but that's okay. Makes the day go fast. So there is where my little veggie patch is going to go. And then I also thought I would have a go. I've got these dies, and I thought I could iron on some Vlisifix on the back of a piece of fabric, excuse me, and run these through the die cutting machine. I was thinking of just using calico, then I will be able to use my alcohol markers and colour them. So I thought I'd have a go at doing that at some point to see what that comes out like. But that, you know, you have all these crazy ideas in the middle of the night and you just want to get up and go and start doing it, but you really shouldn't. So, well, there's no reason why you can't, but okay, so that's my plans for there. What I'm going to do is I think I will stitch down these 3 flowers and maybe invisible stitch this piece on, and then I will come back. Okay, so a few hours have passed by. I'm now ready for work and I've done a little bit of stitching. I've had breakfast, I've had coffee, and so what I did was I did the running stitch all behind the background there, behind the clouds, and I stitched on these extra sunflowers with their beads. I stitched down my little bit of hessian for my veggie garden, and I've just been playing around with the composition of my little greenhouse. So, well, greenhouse, what else? Yeah, greenhouse. Is that what they're called? Yes. So I'm thinking I'm going to do that. So what I did was I cut out a piece of just white felt in the shape that I'd drawn on my piece of fabric. So I cut that out, and then if you remember, I showed in one of my haul videos no, it wasn't a haul video, just in one of my garden path videos, that I bought a couple of trim bags from work, and in it was this bridal lace. So what I've done is I've cut out some of this cross-hatched part and used that for my glass house, was the other word, for my glass house. And then I've cut off this bit of trim, so that went along there, and then that bit there, that sort of woveny piece, I've used to define the shapes of the glass house. So I will stitch all of that down and yeah, do a little bit more stitching. I need to put some veggies in my garden. I need to find something to put over here in this little space. I don't know what yet. I'm thinking I'm going to have a go at doing some silk ribbon embroidery, maybe some little lavender plants or something. So I will head off now and go and do a bit more stitching before I have to go to work, and I will see you all in the next video with all of these little bits hopefully done. So I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.